Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Chef Vincent and you are watching Vincent's Culinary Arts. Today I will show you how we are making chili cauliflower or chili gobi in our restaurant. Firstly, I will cut the cauliflower now and I will make batter for the chili gobi or chili cauliflower dish. Pieces like this. So for the batter, I will use rice flour, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, salt to taste, and little bit ground black pepper. Now I will add the water and then I will add the gobi. Okay, this is ready to fry. I fried and kept aside some cauliflower, diced green pepper and red pepper, an onion, scallion or green onion, chili garlic sauce, soy sauce, vegetable oil, chopped garlic, brown pepper, salt to taste, and little bit of red color. First of all, I will pour some oil for the dish. Then I will put the garlic, and then peppers and onions. Garlic sauce, little bit soy sauce, black pepper powder, salt to taste, red color. And finally, I will add the cauliflower. Garnish with the spring onion on top. Garnish with some peppers, chips. If you like watching this kind of video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like, share and comment down what you like about this video. And also I will soon bring more food and art related videos. Till then, take care, have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.